unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Not all cough syrups are safe in early pregnancy. Ingredients like alcohol, codeine, and high-dose acetaminophen can harm your baby. Always consult your healthcare provider before taking any medicine. Choose pregnancy-safe options and avoid self-medicating to protect your baby.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.